Once upon a time, in the heart of the golden savannah, there lived a wise and powerful lion named Asani. He ruled the Kingdom of Solara, a vast land where all creatures, big and small, lived under his protection. His mane shone like the sun, and his roar echoed like thunder, but his heart was calm and just. Under Asani's reign, peace reigned. The zebras grazed without fear, the elephants roamed freely, and even the sly jackals kept their mischief in check. But not all was calm beyond the borders. To the east, a young and ambitious leopard named Zira watched the lion's kingdom with envy. She believed strength alone should rule, not kindness. One moonless night, she crept into Solara and whispered fear into the ears of the animals. Why follow a lion who sits and thinks, when you could follow one who leaps and leads? Doubt began to grow. The animals, once united, started to argue and divide. Some questioned Asani's peaceful rule. Seeing his kingdom in turmoil, the lion called a great gathering beneath the Baobab Tree. He stood tall, looked at the troubled faces, and said, "A kingdom ruled by fear will only fall in fear. But a kingdom led by trust can weather any storm." Moved by his words, the animals remembered the peace they once shared. Even Zira, hidden in the shadows, felt something stir respect. That day, unity returned to Solara. Zira retreated, not defeated, but thoughtful. She had seen true power, not in might, but in wisdom. And so, the lion's kingdom thrived once more, ruled not just by a king, but by a lesson that the strongest ruler is one who leads with heart.